Hi, my name is Rowan Wang, an ESL teacher and a children's book author. I'm going to share with you how I write rhymes with language teaching in mind. Before Halloween, I decided to write a couple of Halloween rhymes. First, I was thinking, I need some Halloween vocabulary ingredients. They cannot be a lot because we have to control the vocabulary load. So the words came to my mind were night, moon, witch, pumpkin lantern, black cat. I decided to call this rhyme Halloween night. Then I needed a good background picture. So I went online and signed in Docker, a company that provides pictures. There were a lot of relevant pictures. Finally, I found a perfect one. This picture has a dark night and a cold moon. It's exactly what I wanted, except there's no witch. I had to get online to Google for a witch in PNG. A PNG, or portable network graphic, is an image type that provides a transparent background because I need a witch image with a transparent background.
Under the cold moon on a dark night, an old witch on a broom hops into my sight. Ha 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 and he. I scare you and you scare me.
I wanted to write a second stanza to make it a pair. So I went back to Docker to look for another picture with a cat and a pumpkin lantern. And I found another perfect fit.
Under the creepy moon on a quiet night, a black cat in a lantern pops into my sight. Meow, 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 and me. I scare you and you scare me.
I teach parents and teachers online, and they teach their children. Due to the fact that most parents are English learners, I try to create rhymes with fewer vocabulary words. One way to accomplish this is to create repeated words, phrases, and sentences. And I usually write 2 stanzas just like this pair. As you can see, I have made small changes in 4 places only. The 2 rhymes almost repeat each other. Another reason for me to create rhymes in pairs is that we have a teaching pattern to follow. On Monday, we teach both rhymes. On Tuesday, we review stanza 1. On Wednesday, we review stanza 2. On Thursday, we review stanza 1 plus 2. On Friday, we review all the rhymes we have learned from the very beginning. This teaching method is highly effective for both parents and children to learn English as a second language. Now let's take a look at some of the exercises that I have made using the software I found online.